Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can expand RAM size in Oppo phones. So if you want to have a more or additional RAM on your Oppo phone, this is what you are going to do. First, you can go to the settings on your phone. Oops. Tap on settings. So here under the settings you can find this RAM and storage space options. Tap on that and then you'll see your RAMs in here. So just click on the RAM options and then you can see this is the my current RAM, so 8.9 gigabyte use. And if you want to expand your RAM size, here you need to enable this options, extended RAM. So the RAM can be dynamically extended or expanded by up to 8 gigabytes. Some storage space will be taken up. So as you guys can see here, actually the RAM is only 8 gigabyte, but I can extend it, and then so I got plus 8 gigabyte again, so I got 16 gigabytes in total. So it's really easy. You can just enable these features on your Android phones. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.